just ate some breakfast. Now we are wandering around here in Seville. We are walking in a park called Maria Lucia, I think. Just trying to stay awake. We got 2 hours of sleep last night. Took a night bus from Lisbon here to Seville. So it was quite a bumpy ride, and yeah, it's just not the best place to sleep. So yeah, but we're trying to stay awake until we can get our apartment at 3 p.m. So yeah. We just got to our apartment hotel here in Seville, and it is really, really lovely. This is the entrance. There's a door down there, and then we have the kitchen. There we go. Here's the kitchen. Here is the living room, and then here is the bed area. And then we have the bathroom. So nice. And yeah, and then we have the outside here. Good morning, everybody. It is the next day, and I'm just sitting here on the balcony drinking my coffee, just having a very nice little morning. The view. Afternoon. Yeah, it's already their afternoon. We've just been to the Real Alcazar, I think it's called, which I will show you some clips of now. Then we just got home to chug some water. We were quite thirsty. It said on the ticket that you couldn't bring any food or water or anything. So we didn't bring any water, but when we got there it said that you couldn't bring anything except water, so we could have taken some water with us, but yeah. So now we just got home to get some water, and yeah, now we are headed out again. So yeah, Jeppe is ready, so yeah. Good morning. So we are about to leave our little apartment here. Yeah, we still have 1 day left here in Seville, but it said on the booking site that you could only check out between 8 and 11. So we were a bit like, okay, we have an early morning flight tomorrow, so we were like, okay, can't wait till 8 to check out. So we booked a hotel room for the last day here in Seville, last night. But then we found out that this place, it doesn't have any keys, it just have a code, and there's no reception or anything. You just get a code sent to you by an email some hours before check-in. So yeah, and the hotel, wow, sunscreen. And the hotel have a pool, so we are planning on spending the day by the pool. Yeah, I actually didn't sleep that well last night. There was a lot of noise out in the hall, and yeah, so didn't really get that much sleep. So I think a day by the pool will be perfect. So yeah. Hey, so we've just been at the pool for some hours. Just had a shower, and gonna put on some makeup now. We're going out for dinner here in 1.5 hours, I think. Yeah, we checked in at our hotel for the night. I'll show you after I finish putting on makeup, because it's it's ridiculous. It's so huge, our room, and yeah, that is really nice. We got here to the hotel, and then they stored our bags until our room was ready, and we laid by the pool while we waited. So it's been very lovely. But yeah, now we are only here for 1 night, as I said. We are flying home tomorrow morning. Oh yeah, but the hotel room is very lovely. Yeah, I'll show you after I finish my makeup. So this is the door, and then in here I have a little mess here, but yeah, coffee, TV. Then we have this little hallway. So in here, then there is the little makeup table. And then there's the bathroom. And there is the bedroom. And another sofa. And another TV. Yeah. It is really big. Hello. It is the next day. Yeah, we got home yesterday. Had an early morning flight. Hope you enjoyed this vlog about Seville, and you can look forward to my Seville travel guide, which I will upload later. Yeah, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye!